Thanks for coming back and checking out another one of my videos. We've got another challenge locking the vice, and I haven't picked this one yet or had any attempts. It's, well, I'm assuming it's INXS, and it's number 4, so I'm not quite sure where this has come from. Well, I know where it's come from, but I'm not sure who INXS is. I think there was a few of these, but they were from Bristol at the UKLP.co.uk meet, and yeah, there was a few there. I only picked up one, but there was about a set of 5 or 6, I think. So maybe I shouldn't have picked it up. It was down in the pile that was there. So if anyone recognises it and I shouldn't have took it, then just let me know and I'll post it back. But in the meantime, I'm going to have a little dig at it. So it's a lovely oval, and it's got the cam on the back. And I'm going to try anti-clockwise. We've got the TT show on in the background. It's the sort of the run up to the TT races. So they're showing a few programs leading up to the main event. It's going to be on TV next week, I think.
Following the F1 race and the overheating problem, I put some wicker strips on the fairings to try and create more drag through the radiators and bring the temperatures down. But again, because of the frailty of the engine, we really
let's try the other way.
preferred it to be about 10 degrees cooler. The exhaust temperatures on that Norton were about 1100 degrees centigrade. And the average 4-stroke is 800, 850. If it had been a night piece, you could see the exhaust pipes burning. And that was really our main worry. Had we got the fueling right? And there was a balance between running it too rich and running out of fuel, or too lean and seating up.
I think Will thought that bike wouldn't last the distance at the time. There was lots of hype because this was Steve Hislop, and he'd won on the RVF the year before. You have to remember that in '91, the RVFs with Foggy and Hislop on board with it. But in my opinion, they were the finest bikes ever to go down the TT course. Nothing has been so special, so trick, so exotic since or before. And I'm sort of including the Honda 6 and all that.
Everything was perfect. You know, the clouds, the skies were clear.
I can just hear in the background he's talking about the Carl Fogarty race, Isle of Man TT, back in the day on the RVF, and it's funny because I have had an RVF. We got it open, sweet as that was a lovely lock to pick. Lovely because it only took me about 2 minutes, but yeah, they're not all like that, as you know. So I'll take the. I was going to say easy opens, but it's probably more like lucky opens. But anyway, let's hope that I get a chance to gut this one, because fucking hell, there's been a few that I haven't been able to gut. And yeah, let's get this in position. And another thing I've noticed is I keep moving the lock out of focus when I'm gutting. I'm moving it out of camera shot. I'm pretty shit at this malarkey. But so there we go. Right, where's my screwdriver? Well, there isn't a key, so I don't want to lock it back up. Oh, there it is. I need a better screwdriver. This one's shite. As you can probably hear, my snap-on toolbox is located in my living room. There we go. Righty, let's not make this any fucking harder than it should be. I'm going to use one of my nice shims.
I can call you at 3 in the morning.
And you do.
And that's how I know
I can share sunrises with you.
So it's a 6-pinner, and all 6 really did need to be picked. They're all deep. So see what we got. They're looking all standard. So look. Yeah, all the core is standard. It's not been drilled or anything. And all the key pins are standard.
From getting to the beach to goats and trees. Book a wide range of benefits.
So let's see what we got in here. So we've got standard in one. It feels like a proper lovely solid oval though. Really, really nice. Standard in 2. I'm beginning to wonder, is it a challenge lock now? No, possibly not. Oh, the shim is I was wondering why that pin weren't coming out. It's because the shim's still in there. Ah, you bastard. Fucking gutting fail there, wasn't it? Bollocks.
Two great riders, two different riders, you know, Foggy was a job, determination.
So, all standard, so it wasn't actually a challenge lock, so I'm not sure why INXS 4 was has been put on there. But yeah, there was no key, but yeah, don't look too bad. So yeah, thanks for watching.